Welcome friends, we are going to start a new series. We are going to start with TypeScript. Okay, so first of all, the TypeScript is the most important things and modern JavaScript frameworks uses, and there are lots of functionality and features for development, right? So first of all, we understand why we use TypeScript and what is actually the TypeScript is. Okay, so what is TypeScript? So TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that introduced static typing to the language. It was developed by Microsoft to address the challenges of building large-scale JavaScript applications. TypeScript enhances JavaScript by allowing developers to define types for variables. When we going to create our applications, when we going to start our actual programming, then we can understand, we can demonstrate what actually the thing is. Actually its variable, functions, parameters and return values all are important. This enables early error detections during development, improves code maintainability and provides a better tooling support. The most important thing is the error detection during development for developer side, right? So when you write some things in TypeScript, if you write any error, in the same time in the editor you will see the errors you what you actually enter. It's actually compiling when we type our program, right? There are some key features why we use TypeScripts, like you can say the static typing. So you can define the types of variables, parameters, and you can define the returns values. Then classes and interface concept, it supports the object oriented programming principles. It's allowing for the creation of reusable and modular code. Okay, it's compile time checking. Actually errors are caught during the development. We just discussed errors are caught during the development before actually running the code. Means you don't need to run the code to detect the error. When you type some things, it will throw error. It will remember what are the problems. It will mention what are the errors in your code. Okay, the modern JavaScript support, why we support, why we use TypeScript. Actually you know ES6, already I published my ES6 tutorials. You can see all the ES6 plus features supports by TypeScript, so you can understand how smart TypeScript is. Okay, also it's JSX support. It facilitates to use the JSS syntax for building user interface with libraries like React. Okay, you can use with a React, you can use Vue, and obviously in the Angular also. Okay, so the modern three frameworks I just named, the React, Angular, Vue, you can use TypeScript in that sections also. And its tooling support, it works great with the editors like VS Code. Actually we use VS Code generally to develop our applications, and another enabling auto completions, refactoring and more. So there are lots of tool you can use. Okay, and the optional uses, you can gradually adopt TypeScript. Means you don't need to write all the things in the TypeScript. There is options to use the JavaScript also. Means if you are just going to change from JavaScript to TypeScript, you don't need to know all the things, and after that you can start. You know JavaScript, you start using TypeScript syntax, then you will gradually increase your knowledge and try to convert your JavaScript code to the TypeScript. Okay, so learning process is very easy. You don't need to stop any place. You just learn TypeScript and apply into your code. So these are the main features, and there are lots of features. I just highlighted the main features so that it will be more overview all the features. And what we learn in this course, so there we learn TypeScript concept and installations, compilations, and the basic types, functions, arrays, tuples, objects, enums, aliases, union, intersections, their type interference, assertions, interfaces. So you know, you are some new points you are getting, some new names you are getting. Or don't need to think about that things. I will explain all the things. Okay, so there are literal types, type guards, classes, generaries, utilities, and many more features we have. Okay, and throughout this series we will discuss all the things step by step with a proper example. Okay, and you can comment me when you stuck, or when if you have any confusions, then you can comment me. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. So from the next day we will just install and we will compile the TypeScript code. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.